Have you ever heard of a magnetic tube? It's a type of industrial device that's used to remove ferrous contaminants from materials in a process stream. These tubes are filled with strong magnetic elements, usually rare earth neodymium magnets, which attract and hold onto metallic particles as the material flows over or around the tube. Magnetic tubes are commonly used in various industries, such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, plastics, and others, where maintaining product purity is essential. They can be installed in chutes, conveyors, hoppers, or as part of a magnetic separation system. The design of a magnetic tube typically involves a stainless steel casing that encloses the magnetic elements, ensuring that the magnet itself does not come into direct contact with the material being processed. This also makes cleaning a breeze, as the magnetic core can often be removed from the casing, allowing the trapped ferrous particles to be wiped or washed away. You'll find magnetic tubes in all sorts of sizes and strengths, depending on what you need them for and how much contamination you're dealing with. They're a great, simple solution for keeping metal contaminants out of your process without the need for any heavy machinery or power. More information, welcome visit our website www.sinanio.com.